Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create a sparkly text effect on CapCut PC. So go to text and add in your default text and kind of adjust it a little bit. I'm just going to type in sparkly and I'm going to change the font to, and I'm going to kind of zoom in just to show you a little bit. And I'm just going to choose this as a preset style, and I'm going to make the stroke a little bit thinner. Go to effects and go to party or go to trending and select the shining edge one. It's in party, but if you can't find it, it's in trending. Oh, it's right here. So just add it to track. And as you can see, the outline of the text is sparkly. You can change the color here so it's more visible, maybe like this cute pink one. And you can adjust the filters, but it doesn't really show up. You can also adjust the strength here. So I'm just going to do it up to like around 50. Select both and then right click and then create compound clip. And I think you can add it to your videos, like so. If you want the middle to go away, try to choose like a blend mode that suits it the best, either brighten or screen. Let's see. Yeah, either brighten or screen would be good for your videos. Maybe let's not select a background that kind of matches with the text. Maybe this as, oh, it's gone. Maybe not a white background either. So maybe just like a video. Does this work? No, so it doesn't work for everything, but that is how you can basically create this really cool sparkly text effect on CapCut PC. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. If you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!